Today, we will talk about how to replace camper floor. Let's have a look at the details. Traveling in an RV is a great way to explore new places while riding in comfort, but sometimes changes in climate can cause the flooring in your RV to crack, warp, or rot. Fortunately, you can replace the flooring in your RV with just a few tools and a little hard work. The first method is preparing to replace the floor. Measure the square footage of the floors. Use a tape measure to take measurements of the floor layout. Take out the furniture if you need to. You may not have to remove the furniture in your RV for your floor replacement. If you want your new flooring to extend underneath the couch or table, you'll need to take the furniture out. Remove any trim from the around walls and cabinets. Use a crowbar to pry the trim loose. Gather your safety materials. If you have to do any cutting with a saw, you'll need to have safety goggles and a face mask nearby. You may also want heavy leather or canvas gloves to protect your hands while you're working. The second method is replacing carpet. Use pliers to remove the staples holding the carpet in place. Examine the subfloor after you remove the old carpet. Check the plywood subfloor for dark spots, soft areas, or cracks. Repair the damaged area by nailing new marine plywood into the joists beneath the subfloor. Check the remnants section at a local store when you buy a new carpet. Since you won't need much carpet to cover your RV, you can save a lot of money if you can find a remnant that's the right size. Sweep your subfloor before you start the installation to make sure there are no staples that can work their way up through the carpet after you install it. Attach your carpet to the subfloor permanently with staples. Anchor your carpet with furniture if you don't want to staple it. Some RV owners prefer not to staple their carpet to the subfloor because they want to be able to remove the carpet regularly in order to clean it. Hide gaps between the carpet and the wall with trim. Reinstall any furniture you removed once your new flooring is installed. Tighten any bolts firmly with a wrench so the furniture will be steady when the RV is moving. The third method is changing vinyl tile. Use a crowbar or a flathead screwdriver to pry up stick-on tiles. Vinyl stick-on tiles are usually easy to remove. Just wedge a small crowbar, then pop it upwards. Look for damage on the subfloor and repair it if necessary. Opt for peel and stick vinyl tile for easy installation. This is a great option for a durable floor that doesn't require a lot of work to install. Sweep or vacuum the subfloor before you install your new tile. If your subfloor is dirty, the stick-on vinyl tile will not adhere properly. Make sure the entire subfloor is free of dirt, dust, or other debris before you start the installation process. Start in the middle of the room and work outward to the edges. When laying square tiles, you want to center them so that any oddly sized cuts are around the outside of the room. Peel off the paper backing from each tile, then lay the tile in place and press down on it firmly to ensure it adheres to the subfloor properly. And the fourth method is installing plank flooring. Start along the longest wall if you're installing new laminate planks. If you're using tongue and groove floor planks, using the longest pieces first will allow you to make fewer cuts. Use spacers with plank flooring to allow them to expand and contract. Place at least 2 spacers along each wall as you install the floor. Cut the remaining planks to length with a utility knife or jigsaw. A jigsaw will offer more precision if you need to make more detailed cuts. Replace the trim you removed to hide any gaps between the floor and the wall. Replace any furniture you removed. Tighten the furniture down with a wrench so it will be stable while the RV is moving, then relax in your renovated camper. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.